I'm Brad Davis. I own Davis Seasonal Maintenance with my wife, Corrine. We started about 12 years ago, and we do all commercial snow and commercial landscape. I like consistency. Everything that we do has to go with training. What we try to look at is, what's our range? How large can we manage in an area, in a zone? So with big, large loaders, they're going to do the heavy pushing. But the nice thing with the Hyundais and these big pushers is they don't get overwhelmed. It doesn't matter if it's 2 inches or we leave a place sit and it's 10 inches, we still have the flexibility to get that done. The Hyundai fits perfect because I use them twofold in the snow. One, we use anything from a 14-foot pusher to a 16-foot pusher. Secondly, I buy the high lifts, which really are capable of moving a lot of snow with a bucket when we bring in quad axles and we haul it all out. You have the ability to move a lot of snow very quickly and very safely because the operator has such great visibility. It's just a great size, and I get a lot of feedback from my operators. And this one sort of is the sweet spot for us. The big thing is the simplicity of it. Not just that it's a clean cockpit, but it's a touch screen. It's up to date. It has heated seats, pretty nice creature comfort. The windows don't fog up because it has a nice system in there that's pressurized, so we don't have to worry about visibility in these Hyundais. Hyundai has a way of bringing in all those accessories and putting them right on that line and say, this is what you're getting. They continue to be innovative enough to add all these things. And of course, prices are going up on any piece of machinery. But if I do a same, it's not even close. It makes my life that much more easy knowing that, one, people want to come here and work and be in one of those. And two, when we pull it up onto someone's lot and they see that, wow, that's really impressive, Brad. That's how Hyundai has brought our company to a bit of comfort and better level. These have been incredibly dependable for us.